In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of the Capital One Venture Card, a popular travel rewards credit card that's been making waves for frequent flyers and everyday spenders alike. If you're considering a card that gives you flat-rate rewards, flexible redemption options, and solid travel perks, this might be one worth looking into. But let's break down the real benefits and some of the downsides so you can decide whether it's the right fit for your wallet. The Capital One Venture Card offers 2x miles on every purchase, every day. That's a simple and straightforward reward structure. No need to worry about spending categories or rotating bonuses. For people who like to keep things easy and still earn solid rewards, this is a major plus. On top of that, new cardholders can often get a generous welcome bonus if they spend a certain amount in the first few months. These bonus miles can be worth a few $100s in travel if redeemed the right way, which is a strong incentive to sign up. One of the standout features of the Venture Card is the flexibility of its rewards. Unlike some other travel cards that lock you into a specific airline or hotel chain, Capital One miles can be redeemed for travel purchases through their portal or transferred to a list of airline and hotel partners. This gives you the freedom to shop around for the best deals and use your miles where they make the most sense for you. The card also comes with travel-related perks, like reimbursement for global entry or TSA PreCheck, no foreign transaction fees, and travel accident insurance. These benefits can add up if you travel frequently, even if it's just a couple of times a year. The annual fee for the Venture Card is reasonable considering the value you can get in return, especially if you take full advantage of the travel perks and reward system. However, like any credit card, it's not perfect for everyone. If you rarely travel, or if you're looking for a card with 0% intro APR on purchases or balance transfers, this might not be the ideal choice. The card is also best suited for people with good to excellent credit, so approval might be more difficult for beginners or those with a lower credit score. Overall, the Capital One Venture Card is a strong option for those who want simple earning, flexible redemptions, and a travel-focused card without the complexity of premium cards. It's especially useful if you want a go-to card for all your spending that builds up miles quickly and gives you control over how to use them. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Capital One Venture Card or considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.